What's up guys, welcome back to another video. You are catching me in traffic right now. Let me just focus this. There we go. You guys are catching me in traffic right now. So this is just a little bit of an intro to the video because it's a mix of multiple videos. But pretty much I do a service in this video which I fit the lip, and then I blew a head gasket which I decided to buy a work did. I also make a trip to Jason SVN for a tune, or for a checkup on the tune. But yeah, that's just a little explanation since the video is probably going to be all over the place. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so we're also gonna give the cane filter a clean, oil change and plugs, and then that is a bar that I just made. So I didn't make a video of it because it's so simple. It's literally just the ends are crimped basically, and then holes drilled in, and then I just put a sticker on and that's what I painted it. But yeah, and then I also got to take off the wheel, take off the bumper to fit a piece of a lip laying over there. So here's one of the snakes the cat brought in. It's moving. What's up guys? Look at these. It's all black and they just smell like petrol. Yeah, it's all over fueling, so I don't know if I should put these back in and then just take the new plugs with to the tune. I think I should just do that. There we go. As always, replace the copper washer. Always, otherwise it leaks. Don't put sealer there. Is it focusing? Focus. There we go. Beautiful. So the snake is now gone. You can't even see it from here anymore. But it's in there somewhere, and I'm gonna have to get it out now. So guys, look at this, bruh. Put him in the bucket. Got to film it, but I just sprayed some of this on there now. Wait about 10 minutes inside and out, and then I rinse it back out, and then when it gets dry I'll spray some of this on there. You gotta wash from the inside out. Okay, now we shake that out and wait for it to dry. Okay, I have to give this thing a spray. Should have my bad, should have actually do this outside. But fuck it! Almost. Am I doing this right? Yeah. Now that's done. This right here is a lip that I got. It's actually an OEM lip. OEM lip. And then I just needed to make one of these corners. I didn't have one, so I used a mold from Uncle Marco's one. And now I'm gonna just fit it. So we're gonna do it now. Okay, the lip is on. I'm actually loving it. OEM vibes, OEM vibes. I'm just not so happy really with the fitment of here. But I mean, you can only see it if you go down. But you can clearly see it's a replacement. So I'm going to be on the lookout for another one. But for now, this is going to be nice. Maybe I'll just try again. This is only my first attempt of making a fiberglass little lip. So yeah, but I'll spray the rest after, like just let that lip take shape, and then I'll spray it again. So I put it back on the floor and I am in love. No, look at this view. Look at this view. Look at that. Put out the space, show you a couple more views. I am totally in love, guys. Just need to paint this now again. There's another view. Oh, no. It's too good. Because I'm currently removing everything that's connecting the head to the body or to the engine still. So there's the loom already laying there, all the pipes is out. Just get rid of that pipe over there, and then there's another pipe at the bottom that I still gotta get to. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna be taking the head off. Gonna be loosening this biatch. So I'm gonna see if I can film some of this, or maybe this angle. Okay, that is not the best lighting at all. Well, I can't see shit in person anyway, so yeah, I'll try to film it from here. Oh no, I was gonna do inside. I was gonna go inside. Look at that clean blow right there in the world. But it also looks like it was blowing in between. Am I wrong? Because it's like black in between the cylinders. This is probably a week later. I've been waiting on this pipe over here. I've been trying to find this pipe. Couldn't find it, and then I just decided yesterday, let's just get it welded on. At the moment I'm busy disassembling my current head. Got it off after some struggle.
There is no doubt you find a way, leave the moment each and every day. Don't know why can't I see the beauty in front of me?
So here's the port, guys. Ported and polished, or ported, but yeah, so thinking about that. Okay, so these bolts need to be torqued to 38 Newton meters, so okay, so new gasket. I'm gonna spray some copper spray on there, and then should be geshort. Okay, so now we can put the gasket on. sequence is about 50 centimeters. I have now 5. The next step is 65 millimeters. Okay, so somehow, okay, I broke a bolt. You probably just saw that, but somehow I managed to, when I pulled the bolt out, I managed to get the rest of it back, which is lucky. But I need to just check inside quickly if the bolt is completely out. Yeah, everything's out. Okay guys, after a long struggle, she's in time. That's kind of the best I can do. Like that is a TDC and this is blind. So in turn, that is in time. But I mean it's vernier, so it can still be adjusted. But that took so much time, guys. I still need to set the taps, and I still need to connect everything else around the engine. This part, just some oil. Just a little bit. You know, one, maybe more. I like red strobe light, hot floors, dirt. Okay guys, here we go. So this is the moment of truth, and we're gonna see how she starts. Okay. So let's just prime the oil. Okay. Here we go. Okay guys, so now just busy sorting my overflow bottle out. So it used to be down there, and on 1300 it used to be down there. So I'm putting it up there, and I'm using a Jack Daniels bottle just because I can, because I want to. But I'm just gonna make like a little, I need to make a bracket, but for now I'm just gonna put some cable ties around the head and then into there, or I don't know, I'll figure something out now. But yeah, so basically I'm gonna be having my overflow hose coming all the way through under here, just cable tied there. I'll make another solution for that also again later. And then yeah, okay, it's all connected up now. I haven't got the strut bar and everything back on. I will neaten this up another time, don't have this right now. And I'm going to start so we can bleed the system, and then I'm going to go off to Jason. So I don't think I actually recorded the startup yet. Maybe I did, don't remember, doesn't matter, you can always do it again. Oh, what the fuck? There we go. Okay. Fucking love it idle, guys. Love it idle. Okay, I forgot to record me pulling out, but yeah, just busy bleeding now. The idle is, it's gonna drop now. Yeah, it's gonna stall now because it's a bit low, but yeah, it's working that shit. One of Jason's little projects for a customer. On this part of the video, this is where Joshua got a set of new rims, which obviously you saw by now at this point. But either Joshua got a new set of rims and he got a set of coilies. So we went over to Mac's place to fit that. I didn't film too much there because I was also busy doing other stuff, like I was busy welding a gate. But
Touch at first sight. And the world around us won't stop turning tonight. I'm losing control right now, and I feel it's right.
so we're just busy fitting his wheels on now. We're putting the back wheels on. My front wheels are on. Oh, my wheels are on his front. Putting the backs on, and then we're gonna take and just see what that looks like, because he's got, what is this, 205s now? These are 205 55s here, and I've got the 195 55s. So we want 50, sorry. So we want to see how this looks. And then we're gonna go back to my place to fetch my car and my rims. So I'm gonna go back to my place and fetch my car and put my rims back on. Actually, I mean, I'm gonna put his rims on my car. Bit of a sneak peek before the coilovers go on. We're going to Mac to fit the coilovers. As we can see, look how thick that wheel is compared to that one. But also, my guy, this gap needs to get rid of, bruh. You need to get rid of this gap. But so far, the white, I like the white. We are now on the way to Mac. Let's go. The bottom is back. Yo, are you nuts, guys? Look at that gap in the fridge. Oh, look at the phone. Are you happy? No, that's not plastic. Look. Slowly, no? Keep that angle. Yes! Yes! Ow! Just go, just go. Go. Okay, so you guys have made it to the end of the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this whole mix of clips that I've put in there. Subscribe and like for more, guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Cheers.